I'm gonna show you guys the first little peek of the new garden space. You guys were around here last year. You might remember we had three arch trellises right up front, kind of was front and center for our loofah gourds and our noodle beans, things like that. We took those out and I got these beds secondhand from a friend. She had built them and she was taking them down and offered them to me, and I was so thrilled. She has some little skinny cattle panels that fit the small beds and the short openings. I'm gonna go pick those up this week. I'm so excited about these. We're not gonna get them filled this season. We're gonna work at filling them with cardboard and logs and leaves, which we won't have till fall, which is why I'm waiting till fall so I can put all of our leaves in there. And then we'll go get some really good compost. Thankfully, I have this Vivor bed and we moved one of the arch trellises over here. So this will be where I do my noodle beans this year. And one of my other arch trellises, I'm just gonna put it in the in-ground garden. That's where the loofahs are going. They're probably gonna go wild. We're gonna let them do it. She gave me some other wooden black beds at the end of the season because I have already got onions and garlic in my beds, and this one really doesn't have that many growing, and I am so tempted to just go ahead and pull this bed up, and I can probably get enough to fill the little skinny black beds that she gave me. I'm so tempted. Like, I don't know. What do we think? If I pull all of those garlic and onions up, do you think they would transplant okay? I have places where I could put them. I want to put my other black beds in here really bad already. If we don't think that they will transplant, well, I'm gonna wait. And this fall, I will redo these beds. This bed needed to be rebuilt anyways, but since we're gonna replace it with the black beds, I'm just going to let it ride for the season. There was a bed right here. We took that out as well to kind of open this up, because whenever we put the black beds, these beds here are 11 feet long. The black beds are 15 feet long, so they're gonna come way over. So I just went ahead and took that bed out. I scooped out compost from the beds we took down, and I finished filling up some of the beds. Look how dark that is. Look, the lovely apple blossoms. So we have baby peaches and pears on the other side of the property, and then the apples are blossoming, and guess what? We're fixing to have a freeze. I hope they make it. I wonder if, since the rest of the tree is not blossoming yet, if I like come and just cover this one branch. What do you think? Would it do any good? Springtime. The garden is fixing to be in full swing. Thanks for coming and walking through the garden with me and letting me show you all the fun things that I've found. I hope that you'll come back and hang out again. I always love it when you do. I'll see you next time when you stop by.